Alright, my friends. This is the road that goes down to the secret waterfall. These train tracks are kind of funny. They don't have they're old, they're so old they don't have one of those things that like goes down or like any lights that warn you or whatever. You gotta kind of pay attention, otherwise it's just you're screwed. There's a mountain that goes up there. There's some houses up there. This side is straight up farmland. It's just straight up farmland. There's a main road on the other side of it though. Well, what's considered a main road up here. Eventually we're gonna try and find a way up one of these sides, and we're gonna try and climb around the back side of the waterfall and see what's up there. I mean, this I call it the secret waterfall. It's hidden in plain sight. It's like right off this road, but I tell you, it comes out of nowhere. It's pretty cool. I'll come back when I have this situated. When we get down there and I figure it out, I'll come back. Alright friends, that's the farm side over there I was talking about a minute ago. Can't really see much out there. You can't really see much in here either. The waterfall's loud. Look at that. Look how much water is rushing down now. We ain't never seen it like this. I am stoked. So one of the problems with this place is, at night like this, with the running water I can't hear anything. Outside of the flashlight I can't see anything. And you get cornered in. That's it. So, if there's anything in here with me, I'm effed. Whoa. It's really hard to tell where that noise came from. The sound, running water will play tricks on you too. Usually rivers, like rushing rivers, are usually the worst. Sounds like somebody's talking sometimes. Well, anyway guys, I'm gonna drop some gifts. It's gonna be a little hard for me. I thought we would be able to like shine this in here and it would illuminate the whole area, but I underestimated how big it is. I really thought it was a lot more narrow, but sure as hell ain't. There we go. Couldn't get it to focus. Even the running water right here in front of me just... it's creepy. Sounds like something's behind me. Alright guys, I'm gonna drop some pumpkins and I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Just wanted to get a little video for you. Maybe we'll attach it to another video if I have one. Maybe I'll just put it up. We'll see. See how things go. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, friends. As always, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll take you back to the truck with me to get the pumpkins. I couldn't carry them and film. Just wasn't possible. I was juggling everything around for a little bit and I just said screw it. It's one of the most powerful flashlights you can get, and I'll tell you, when you're out here in nothing but darkness, it's a lifesaver, don't get me wrong, it's great, but it's just not enough light. Alright, friends, thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Stay blessed, stay safe. I'll see you on the next one. I'll show you how dark it is out here. Boop, boop, boop. That's it. That's what I'm standing in. Peace. Be good.